There will be moments when you hit a wall, when it gets heavy, when your muscles scream or your mind wants to quit. Even if you are down in the fourth quarter gasping for breath and everything hurts, don't stop. That is when you rise. When the funding falls through, when your plan collapses, when the doubt creeps in, don't fold. That is when you fight. These moments separate the average from the elite. Greatness is not found where it is easy. It is found in the climb, in the grind, in the fight to push beyond the limits others set for you or the ones you have set for yourself. You don't get to the top by accident. You get there by rising, step by step, inch by inch, day by day. So dream bigger, work harder, push further, and when you think you have gone as far as you can, trust me, you can still go higher. Life rewards those who refuse to quit, who learn from failure, and who chase their dreams even when the odds are stacked against them. So take a breath, stand tall, and remind yourself you have made it through 100% of your worst days. You are stronger than you think, and your story is far from over. This is not just about talent or luck. It is about obsession, relentlessness, and discipline. It is about showing up every single day, outworking yesterday's activities, and daring to believe there is still another level inside you. You don't stop because you are tired. You stop when you are done. Embrace the pain, turn it to your gain, and accept the challenge. It will channel you to greatness. Whatever you are chasing, always remember this. Comfort is a ceiling. Greatness breaks through it. When people doubt you, go higher. When fear whispers in your ear, go higher. When the path seems unclear, look up and go higher. Because your next level is waiting. Your best self is waiting. Your purpose, your power, your legacy, it is all waiting up there. You don't settle, don't stop, don't shrink, go higher. Defeat comes from the mind in response to the hardship of where you find yourself. But you have to avoid the defeat of the mind and always remain zealous and persistent. What will you be doing if you are not fighting for what you want? It is not normal for a goal-oriented person to concede defeat. They always go with full strength, with unwavering determination, and get it done. It is not over. You still have strength in there. You are not done. You are not a victim. And you are not a failure. Your breathing should be for your breakthrough. Your standing is to stand out for greatness. Because as long as you are here, you can still do something remarkable and fight your way through. So don't surrender your mind to fear. Don't hand over your future to failure. Don't sign a treaty with hopelessness. I know you will rise again, even if you have to wipe away tears, clench your teeth, and crawl forward. Don't you dare give up. Whether it is your dream, your freedom, your family, or your future you are fighting for, always protect it, chase it, and defend it. Don't hand it over to doubt. Don't sell it for comfort. Don't bury it just because the road got hard. Don't consent to defeat. Rise, fight, conquer, and win.